Scorpion tattoos are not just designs, they are an attitude. They represent power, protection, survival, and fearlessness. Across cultures, the scorpion is seen as a symbol of strength and silent danger. In today's video, we bring you 72 trending scorpion tattoo designs, carefully curated for different styles, placements, and meanings. If you're planning your next tattoo or just love tattoo art, this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tattoo 18 for more tattoo inspiration. Meaning of scorpion tattoos. The scorpion symbolizes resilience, self-defense, and transformation. It teaches us that even something small can be extremely powerful. Many people choose scorpion tattoos to represent personal struggles, survival through tough times, or their fearless nature. For some, it also reflects mystery, independence, and deep emotional strength. Scorpion tattoos are especially popular among people who believe in zodiac signs, particularly Scorpio, known for passion, loyalty, and intensity. Hand scorpion tattoo designs. Let's start with hand scorpion tattoos, one of the boldest placements. Hand tattoos demand confidence and commitment. Realistic scorpion designs with sharp claws and raised tails look extremely powerful on the hand. Minimal line work scorpions are perfect for those who prefer a clean and modern style. Hand scorpion tattoos often symbolize dominance, control, and bravery. Shoulder and upper arm scorpion tattoos. Shoulder scorpion tattoos give artists more space to play with detail. These designs range from tribal scorpions to hyper-realistic black and gray tattoos. A scorpion on the shoulder represents strength carried silently. Upper arm placements are also ideal for combining scorpion designs with flames, skulls, or geometric elements. Neck scorpion tattoo designs. Neck scorpion tattoos are bold and fearless. They instantly grab attention and reflect a strong personality. Side neck scorpions are especially popular for their sharp and edgy appearance. Many people choose minimal or outlined scorpion designs for the neck to maintain elegance while keeping the danger alive. Leg and calf scorpion tattoo designs. Leg scorpion tattoos are perfect for elongated and detailed designs. Calf placements allow the scorpion's tail to flow naturally along the muscle. These tattoos often represent movement, journey, and growth. Full leg scorpion tattoos are ideal for those who want a dramatic and eye-catching design. Minimal and small scorpion tattoos. Not all scorpion tattoos need to be aggressive. Small and minimalist scorpion designs are trending among first-time tattoo lovers. These tattoos work beautifully on the wrist, ankle, behind the ear, or fingers. Simple scorpion outlines still carry deep meaning without overpowering the skin. Scorpio's zodiac sign tattoo ideas. Scorpio is one of the most powerful zodiac signs. Scorpio tattoos often include the scorpion symbol, zodiac glyph, or birth dates. Many people combine scorpion tattoos with zodiac elements like stars, moons, or flames. These tattoos represent passion, loyalty, mystery, and emotional depth. Scorpio constellation tattoo designs. Constellation tattoos are elegant and deeply personal. Scorpio constellation tattoos are perfect for those who prefer subtle symbolism. They look amazing on the forearm, collarbone, shoulder blade, and ribs. Some designs combine the constellation with a scorpion outline for a unique cosmic effect. So here you have it, 72 trending scorpion tattoo designs, covering every style, placement, and meaning. Whether you love bold realism, minimalist art, or zodiac-inspired tattoos, scorpion designs never fail to make a statement. If this video inspired you, let us know in the comments which scorpion tattoo you like the most. For more tattoo ideas, trends, and real tattoo stories, subscribe to our channel Tattoo 18 and stay connected with the world of ink.